If you are still using a mountain of messy measuring cups and guessing your portion sizes, it's time to upgrade. This digital kitchen scale eliminates the guesswork with 3 essential features. First up, immense versatility. The scale easily handles heavy meal prep loads up to 11 pounds, but it stays accurate to a single gram, instantly switching between ounces, grams, and milliliters. Next, the tare function. Pressing this button zeroes out the current weight on the LCD screen. This means you can stack flour, sugar, and butter into one container without doing any math. And finally, effortless cleanup. The top surface is made of 304 food-grade stainless steel, so if you spill sticky liquids or raw meat juice, you can wipe the hardware clean instantly. By combining digital precision, a single bowl workflow, and easy cleanup, this simple tool fundamentally speeds up your entire home kitchen. This sleek black knife set is the #1 best-selling block on Amazon. Here is exactly why. First up, sheer volume. This 15-piece culinary arsenal includes everything from a chef's knife to 6 matching steak knives. It instantly replaces that cluttered drawer of mismatched tools with one cohesive aesthetic. Next, the distinctive black coating. The German stainless steel blades use this finish as a physical barrier against oxygen. This mechanism completely prevents rust, meaning the entire set can survive the dishwasher without a second thought. Third, the black hardwood storage block hides a brilliant secret feature, a built-in sharpener. This eliminates those bulky whetstones and allows for instant, one-handed blade maintenance right before you start slicing. Finally, the reliability metrics. With over 3,600 glowing reviews and a lifetime warranty, Astercook guarantees long-term durability, removing all the risk from a daily use household item. It didn't just win on looks. It conquered Amazon by solving dull blades, tedious hand washing, and cluttered drawers all at once.
Prepping dinner usually means dragging out multiple bowls, cutting boards, and bulky appliances, leaving behind a massive mess. But this 26-piece stainless steel set is an all-in-one prep station that solves this. Here's how. First, the multifunctional lid on the 3.5-quart bowl. The center pops completely out, turning the outer ring into a splash guard for electric mixers. Or you can snap in one of 3 included attachments to shred cheese directly into the bowl. Next up, the non-slip silicone bottoms. These heavy-duty grips stop the bowl from spinning while you whisk and double as trivets for hot ingredients. Third, the extreme space-saving design. You get 6 clearly labeled sizes from 1 to 7 quarts. The entire collection, including all the extra tools, nests perfectly inside the largest bowl. Finally, critical maintenance rules. The stainless steel bowls are completely dishwasher safe, but the airtight lids will warp in high heat and must be hand washed. Also, immediately towel dry the steel interiors to prevent rust spots. Ultimately, this isn't just about owning more containers. It's a system designed to consolidate your grating, mixing, and storing into one compact footprint.